Guys, let me show you around the backyard, right? So, there's a guy sitting, and there's a front gate where you obviously see. Now, there's Vegeta. Vegeta, he's on his own mission. Here's the hawk. Hawk 1, 2, 3, and Hawk 4. That's where we used to keep our ducks and stuff. So, like, that's a lemon tree. Excuse me. Sorry about that. Here's a lemon. This, my friends, is a pomegranate tree. Let's look for a pomegranate to show. Okay, here's a pomegranate show. Here's a pomegranate, a nice big one. Let's crack it open. I should take this one inside. Okay. Okay. This is ripe. Taste. Just need one. I just need one. Here's it here. Bismillah. Sweet. Okay, here's a pomegranate. So over there, let's go in a better visible location. Over there is probably where I want to do something that I can say. This is where I do YouTube videos for something. And here we got the dog cage. So we'll see as time goes by. Toodaloo, my peeps.